The Battle of Jutland, fought on May 31 to June 1, 1916, was a defining moment in naval warfare during World War I. This colossal confrontation between the British Royal Navy and the German Imperial Navy in the North Sea would leave an indelible mark on maritime history. This article recounts the events and significance of this pivotal battle, setting the stage. By 1916, both the British and German navies were embroiled in an escalating naval arms race. The Royal Navy, long-standing mistress of the seas, sought to maintain its dominance, while the German Imperial Navy sought to challenge Britain's naval supremacy. Jutland, a region off the coast of Denmark, would become the stage for their climactic encounter. The British Grand Fleet. The British Grand Fleet, under the command of Admiral Sir John Jellicoe, was the most formidable naval force of its time. It comprised numerous battleships, battlecruisers, cruisers, and destroyers, boasting an overwhelming numerical advantage over the German High Seas Fleet. The German High Seas Fleet. Admiral Reinhard Scheer led the German High Seas Fleet, a formidable force in its own right. Although outnumbered, the Germans sought to utilize innovative tactics and capitalize on their battlecruiser strength to offset the numerical disadvantage. The fateful encounter. On the fateful afternoon of May 31st, the two fleets finally clashed off the coast of Denmark. The Battle of Jutland unfolded in a series of skirmishes and engagements, spanning over 72 hours. The brutal combat involved heavy artillery barrages, torpedo attacks, and close-range naval gunfire. Strategic outcomes. While the battle did not yield a decisive victory for either side, it had profound strategic consequences. The British Grand Fleet retained its numerical superiority and maintained its blockade of Germany, exerting significant pressure on the Central Powers. The German High Seas Fleet, while bloodied, remained a formidable force, largely avoiding further direct confrontations. Losses and human toll. The Battle of Jutland was a brutal affair, resulting in heavy losses on both sides. The Royal Navy lost more ships, but the German Navy suffered higher casualties. The battle claimed the lives of thousands of sailors and left a somber mark on naval history. Legacy and reflection. The Battle of Jutland, though technically inconclusive, holds a significant place in naval history. It underscored the evolving nature of naval warfare and highlighted the strategic importance of maintaining dominance at sea. The lessons learned from Jutland would shape naval strategy and doctrine for generations to come. The Battle of Jutland remains a testament to the scale, complexity, and brutality of naval warfare during World War I. It was a pivotal moment in the ongoing struggle for control of the seas and demonstrated the enduring strategic importance of naval power in global conflicts.